Japan's 5 scariest legends. The woman with the slit mouth. Japan, a land of cherry blossoms, serenity, and spirits. But beneath its calm surface, ancient curses still breathe. Tonight we unveil 5 of Japan's most terrifying legends, where folklore meets fear and reality feels too close. First episode, Kuchisake-onna, the slit-mouthed woman. A woman with long black hair and a surgical mask walks the dark streets. She stops you and asks softly, "Watashi kirei? Am I pretty?" If you answer yes, she removes her mask, revealing her mouth torn ear to ear. Then she asks again, "Even now?" If you say no, she kills you. If you say yes, she slashes your mouth to look just like hers. Parents in Japan still warn children, don't walk alone at night, especially if someone whispers from behind. Second episode, Aokigahara Forest, the Sea of Trees. At the base of Mount Fuji lies Aokigahara, a forest so silent it swallows sound. People call it Jukai, the Sea of Trees, but it's better known as the Suicide Forest. Compasses fail, phones lose signal, and those who enter often don't return. Local rangers hang ribbons to find their way back, and sometimes they hear laughter or see figures hanging in the mist. Even scientists studying magnetic fields refuse to stay past sunset, because here, silence screams. Third episode, Okiku's Well, the Curse Maid of Himeji Castle. Long ago, a maid named Okiku served at Himeji Castle. Her lord accused her of losing one of 10 priceless plates. In truth, he wanted her for himself. When she refused, he threw her into a well. Since then, her spirit counts endlessly. Ichi-ni-san 1, 2, 3 until Q9, then a scream. To this day, tourists at Himeji Castle say they hear her voice echoing at night. 9, where is 10? Fourth episode, Teke-Teke, the half-girl ghost. During the 1940s, a schoolgirl fell onto train tracks and was cut in half. Her spirit returned, dragging her upper body with her elbows, making a teki-teki sound as she crawled. If she catches you, she cuts your body in half to match hers. Some say she hides under train platforms, others say in school bathrooms. But everyone agrees if you hear teke-teke behind you, run and don't look back. Fifth episode, Hachishaku-sama, the 8-foot woman. In rural Japan, villagers whisper of Hachishaku-sama, a woman nearly 8 feet tall wearing a white dress and sun hat. She lures children by imitating a loved one's voice, and her trademark sound is popopo. Once marked by her, you must stay inside for 7 days under priestly protection. One boy who escaped said he saw her face pressed against the window, smiling impossibly wide. When he blinked, she was gone. But the next morning, his grandfather vanished. Only her hat was found at the edge of the field. In Japan, fear is quiet. It hides in mirrors, whispers in forests, and counts in wells. These legends are more than stories. They're reflections of human guilt, sorrow, and the ghosts we create ourselves. So next time someone asks, "Am I pretty?" be careful how you answer.